UniQo, the revolutionary system of trolleys, mops and frames specially designed for hospital and healthcare facilities. The UniQo system is available in 2 series of trolleys. The total range includes 8 models, 2 mops and a frame. UniQo doesn't need pre-impregnation thanks to its exclusive patented impregnation system. With separate mops management, it prevents cross-contamination between environments. The UniQo Series 12 offers 4 programmable trolleys with an intuitive display, allowing users to set mop head impregnation based on room size, floor porosity and level of dirt. To initiate the task, the operator simply needs to pour the appropriate amount of water and detergent into the Blu Bucket, designated for mop head impregnation. Enter their password on the cart's display and start the cleaning program. The UniQo system enables the operator to avoid direct contact with mops and liquids before, during and after each sanitation cycle. With the UniQo frame, the UniQo mop head is attached from the Blu Bucket containing clean mops. It is then inserted into the second Blu impregnation bucket, which, with its 12 nebulizing nozzles, impregnates it with predetermined amounts of water and detergent based on the square footage of the area to be treated. Upon completion of the environmental sanitation, the dirty mop is released into the red bucket through an automatic release system. This process ensures the separation of clean mops from potentially infected ones, ensuring the highest level of safety and sanitation and preventing cross-contamination of environments. UniQo system is not just the trolleys, but also a frame, with a quick release lever and a graduated frame opening for inserting the mop into the pockets, along with 2 microfiber mops. One is extremely thin for already cleansed floors, and the other, with a thickness of 8 mm, is designed to hold even the smallest dirt particles. UniQo, the revolutionary system of trolleys, mops and frames specially designed for hospital and healthcare facilities.